Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. You want to know what the best appliance for 2024 is? Mysoda. There is nothing more refreshing to me than a cold glass of seltzer water. This is the Ruby 2 in sage green, and I love that it's so easy to use. With one firm twist and push back on the nozzle, you are then set. And a few pumps. For me, 2 is pretty perfect. And you can hear the little fizz on the second one. And it's complete. I have found that the bubbles last just as long as the store-bought bottled seltzer. But in my house, we tend to drink at least 2 to 3 liters a day. And you can imagine how much we have saved with having the Ruby 2. You do have to purchase your own screw top CO2 cartridge, and it's super simple to install. We have not needed to replace it in so far 3 weeks. So I appreciate that we are no longer putting cans and bottles in the trash. We love choosing our own ways to flavor our homemade salsa. The possibilities are endless and it tastes amazing. Our family is pretty obsessed with salsa water. We love the Ruby. We love Mysoda. It has made our kitchen complete. This is the best appliance for us. We highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.